or treat, trick or treat, it's Halloween day. Trick or treat, ghosts and goblins come out to play. I buy some candy, hip hooray, with UPI tap and pay. No coins to jingle, no cash to sway, just scan the code, it's the easy way. Pumpkins smile and monsters say, we love you, boy. Hooray! Hooray! I got my sweets from Witchy Sue. She said, use UP, that's new. I scanned the code, the screen went ding. Now I paid for everything. Pumpkin pie and chocolate too. All through my phone, it's easy to do. No heavy coins, no cash today. UP makes fun the modern way. A magic code at the candy stand. I point my phone and move my hand. Money travels, zoom, 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 like a witch on her flying broom. UP is magic, kids all say. It helps us pay the smart new way. Happy Halloween, shout hooray! Digital money saves the day. Dracula buys a cupcake treat. He pays online, oh isn't that neat? Zombie mommy, all agree. UP safe for you and me. Tap and treat, no coins to find. Digital money fast